Hey guys, this is my second box ever. I took the plastic off just to speed up the video a bit. So I got the little tab here.
Just to let everybody know, the first box was pretty much the worst box we've ever seen in our life, so we're hoping for good things out of this one.
Mike Recchi. Nothing in that one. Hoping for something good to make up for that last box. Jaromir Jagr.
Notables. I guess that's alright. Too bad he's not in the league anymore.
He'll be back.
Edmonton Oilers.
David Forsberg. Oh. Some stuck together. Sign of the Times Malkin.
Evgeny Malkin, Sign of the Times. Very, very nice.
That's a practice jersey.
That's his rookie year's Sign of the Times.
Really?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, this is his rookie year. Very nice pull.
Just doing a little practice. Future watch.
What team?
Coyotes.
Oh, there's nobody.
Keith Yandel.
That's kind of a bummer. That's a sweet Sign of the Times, though. Now we just need the Malkin rookie card. I guess we can set our sights a little bit higher. Why not a Crosby rookie card?
So far, so good.
This is leaps and bounds better than your first one.
Good thing it's not Derek Boogaard signing the time.
Yeah. Okay, well this pack's obviously got something good in it, because it won't let you in.
It kind of hurt the teeth too.
I got a feeling this box is going to have a really nice dual auto.
Well, didn't you get 2 dual autos in one box?
Yeah.
Asshole. These packs are not really good. Don't want to damage the cards here. Hasek. Turco.
You're putting up a pretty good Turco collection.
Yeah. Brother's birthday coming up. He loves Turco, so I got him quite a bit of cards. I'll maybe show you them in another video. Lindstrom.
Man, I thought that Sign of the Times was Crosby when I first seen it, but...
Really?
Yeah.
That would have been too sweet.
Yeah.
No fat packs yet. Oh.
They'll be on the bottom, probably.
Speaking of devil.
Nice big fat patch would be sweet. Bobby Orr. Nothing.
You're guaranteed 3 fat packs in a box?
3 autos.
Oh.
That's the only thing they... On average, they don't guarantee it. They just say on average.
Oh, yeah. Oh, 1 signed rookie card per box. So that's the signed rookie card.
What I've found, though, is usually these boxes will give you 1 from the 06 year and then 1 from the 05 year. So you should get 1 from Crosby's rookie year, too.
Ryan Smith.
That's what I've found in the boxes I've opened, anyways.
Yeah, you just buy
Yeah, with this product, I just seem to always get a pretty decent box. So something to go with the Malkin would be nice.
Going south really fast.
Yeah, something to go with the Malkin would be nice.
Oh.
Future Watch. That's just going to be an unautographed one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Good, because it's like
some guy you've never... Is it a goaltender?
No.
Oh.
David Prince.
I've actually never heard of that guy.
Prince.
Was there nothing else in the pack? You didn't even look through the cards.
Yeah, it did. Oh. I didn't know you could get more than one.
Yeah, you can get sometimes a couple different hits in a pack. You got 3 big fat guys there. Those fat packs are where the dual autographs hide too.
Oh really?
Bruins, Melanger, Cena, I betcha. Oh, Henry Toivonen?
No, Jordan
Sigalet.
Is he any good?
No.
That's a shame.
Yeah.
I always get the no-namers. Brett Lebda.
Brett Lebda's alright. And Travis Zajak's good.
Yeah. Won't pay off the box though. Fleury. So there's my 3 autographs.
I got 5 in that one box though, remember?
Notables. Joe Sakic.
Didn't you get that one in the last one?
Nope. I got Marcus Naslund and Wayne Gretzky.
Then I got that one in my last one.
Tomo Ruku. Sidney Crosby.
So no high-end rookie.
One more. Here's one more.
Oh, I didn't see that guy hiding. Well, here's your high-end rookie then. How about I don't know. I got nothing.
No, they're all normal.
Okay, well let's take a look at these fat packs then.
I need a patch. Yellow.
There's a yellow bar. Don't worry, dual auto.
Oh, the second one is blue. Scripts to Success, Dustin Brown.
What is that? That's got to be serial number then, eh?
65 out of 100.
Nice. I've never seen one of those.
Again, quite the Gretzky montage. I got 3 this pack, I think.
3 Gretzky's this box, you mean?
What did I say, pack?
Yeah. Okay, well you did much better than the average, so.
Well, to make up for that shit box, I got.
Well, you got something here too.
Redemption.
Dion Phaneuf. Nice.
No way. Future Watch. That's his rookie.
That's his rookie card. That'll go for $60 right there. $50-$60, I betcha. And yes, we are in Canada, so we are talking Canadian money. So please don't get mad at me and say it'll never go for that much money.
There's another one. I'll sell it as a waft.
No, you did excellent in this box. See, this is how this product is supposed to be, I think. That's weird. I've never seen a rookie card in one of those fat packs. Now here's the patch.
Brodeur playing extremely well as of late.
Well, since the return, anyways. Nothing?
Nothing.
Okay.
Much better than my last box.
Well, let's take a little gander.
Okay. I got Dion Phaneuf, Future Watch. That's serial numbered out of 999. I got 125.
That's got to be probably top 5 or 4 in that set. So
Sign of the Times, Evanji Malkin. Very nice card.